everyone, meet me again with Rachel. Today I will show you tutorial how to make a mosaic. I use mosaic technique. We will draw Hachiko dog, and the name of the dog is Shinoiba. Because we use acrylic paint, so we need canvas. The size of the canvas is 20. Other materials that I need are acrylic paint, paintbrush, and marker. There are 3 kinds of paintbrush that I use. First, flat brush, round brush, and fine brush. I use Posca marker. I using 3 kinds of size of the Posca. First is 1, 3, and 5. For the first one, it's for the decoration. Then 3 for the coloring. Then 5 for the outer line. Okay guys, that's all materials that we need.
Love. Oh yeah.
Okay guys, now let's restart that. First, we make horizontal line with ruler. Then another line. Now we make circle, but not really circle. First one, you need to make a sketch. You can use a pencil, but it's okay. If your sketch is not perfect, you can erase it or cover it with acrylic paint. Now it is the time to make the mosaic line, but make the mosaic line outside of the dog head. Now it is the time to paint inside the mosaic line. I use the big brush to coloring inside, but for the finishing, I use the fine brush. When you paint the mosaic, carefully to choose the color, because there are so many combined color. Not all color are matching together. For the example, I put blue and purple. They are matching. But if I put purple beside brown, they are not matching. Now I already color up the mosaic line. Now I just need to make the outside line of the mosaic. I use black Posca number 5 to make the line. I decided to make a new Shiba Inu because the Shiba Inu that I make before not really cute. Then after I doing this, I will put it in the canvas. I make the bigger cheeks and the bigger head. And Tara, this is my new Shiba Inu. For the last time, we just need to put the decoration for the mosaic line. Okay guys, we're finally done doing this one and I'm so happy. Hey guys, we totally did it and we already done doing it. I'm so happy. This is kinda cute. I like the Shinu Iba. So cute, and I also like the patterns and the color. Okay guys, comment down below what colors that you like. Goodbye guys. See you next time.